Alright people, so here I get some more updates on the floods that's going on in Jamaica. So right about now I can hear clearly in a video somebody saying Black River is flooding out. I don't know if it's only in Black River this is going on, or maybe it's going on in more places in Jamaica. With people, what I want to say, take good care of what's going on, because we see what happens in Bahamas some weeks ago, and I will really hope and be happy that my people out there as well, you know what I mean, take care of themselves. Saying so, respect to the Jamaican nation, and condolences to all of the people them lost them people in Bahamas. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean, this is crazy. So people just want to take care, and here are some more videos about
Yes, I am. I say I can't stand up here, so I know video this. Rascal!
Rock River, downtown. Look at the town. Down the street now.
I feel pretty, so I feel pretty like a wall.
Cloud out. See the river running. Close is bad.
Kirkwork, them not no style like this out there.